In this video, we'll guide you through the process of customizing your WhatsApp chat widget to make it uniquely yours. To begin, open the Common Ninja editor. Now navigate to the content section located on the left panel. Here, you can tailor your widget to perfectly match your style and preferences. There are many ways to personalize every aspect of your widget, from the contact name and status to the inclusion of your own profile image, infusing it with a touch of your personality. You can also change the button text to reflect your brand's tone or simply your own creative flair. Just start typing and you'll see the text changing immediately. And there you have it, your own fully customized WhatsApp widget ready to elevate your website's user experience to new heights. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful content. Thanks for watching!